Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward 5 minutes or stay as we say hello to each other. Unfortunately, Facebook is not letting me tag anybody today. I'm not sure why. So I hope everybody will find their way here without my tagging. Oh look, suddenly I can tag. Okay, good. So I'm gonna try to do that. Good morning, Maria. Yes, this is a park, a little park across the street from my friend's place. And this is the park where, where there is this beautiful cathedral that in the winter was the backdrop for our meditation, but now it's covered with trees. Oh my God, there is a little turtle here. I don't know if you can guys see. Oh, it dived in. Oh well, but there is ducks. Anyway, it's a beautiful place. Oops, now I have to reposition. Good morning, Judy. Yes, turtle did come to greet you, Maria. And then it's nowhere to be found, so that must have been it. All right, it is time for us to start. And I just want to announce before we begin that this month I want to do a little experiment and focus on Ho'oponopono practice almost exclusively. Of course, if you have any particular requests on any days, we will honor that and do those practices. But I want to incorporate Ho'oponopono in everything we reflect on. Because I'll remind you, the Ho'oponopono practice is this practice where you where you say a short verse. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And it's a practice of forgiveness and reconciliation for all the relationships in your life, including the relationship with yourself. And really, if you dig a little bit deeper, what is happening as you go through this practice, you're actually erasing all the limiting beliefs that may not even be your own beliefs, but that you've picked up throughout your life, from whatever you heard in the childhood, from whatever you heard at work, from your friends, etc., etc. And you just incorporated them and made them your habit. So as you go deeper and deeper into Ho'oponopono, you kind of clear out your system and make it spacious enough so that you can see and develop your own beliefs that are supportive for your life, whatever you choose it to be. So anyway, it's not to say that we're going to be doing only this, repeating this verse. So we're just going to be doing whatever reflection, and then we're going to incorporate the Ho'oponopono verse in whatever reflection we are going to be doing. So this is going to be an experiment. We'll see how it goes. Of course, if you absolutely hate it, let me know. And we're gonna, stop and do something else. But maybe by the end of the month, we're all gonna feel quite different and quite a bit of shifting. So today, I just want to do a straight up Ho'oponopono practice, and all of you here already know what it is. Basically, a practice of forgiveness and reconciliation, and all you have to do is gently, kindly repeat the following verse. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Of course, I'm gonna guide you through it. So right now, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both internal and external. Let your breath be soft and comfortable without forcing. Decide whether you want to keep your eyes open or gently close them. Invite effortlessness into your body, softening from the inside out. And now bring to mind a person or situation that provokes feelings of deep upset in you. Anger, frustration, annoyance, maybe grief, sadness, whatever it is that triggers you strongly. Once you bring that situation to mind, don't dwell on the story, but rather feel where this resides in your body. Where do you feel it the most? And keeping gentle attention on that area, maybe even placing a hand on that area. Start repeating the verse. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And continue doing it on your own. You can say it out loud, you can whisper the words, or just silently repeat the phrase over and over again. And as you do this, part of your attention stays on your breath. Calm, rhythmic, in and out, in and out. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let go of the need to analyze the words. Simply allow them to flow out of your heart and into the space around you. Trust that the full meaning of this practice will reveal itself to you in good time. For now, simply repeat the verse over and over and over again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. If any images or thoughts arise, welcome them without analyzing, and let them accompany your mantra, not taking over the process. Keep repeating the verse over and over again, and maybe you will feel your heart soften a bit. But if it doesn't happen today, don't worry about it. We're going to continue incorporating this verse into our practice in the coming month, so there will be plenty of opportunity to practice. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The ultimate objective of this practice is to get to a point where you can think about the situation with a soft calmness, with literally no hard feelings. Obviously, it may take more than one practice. So as you go through your day, notice what you're feeling around this person, around the situation, and if the upset returns, simply do this practice again. It doesn't have to be a formal sitting. You can be driving your car, you can be doing dishes, you can be sitting in front of that person and silently repeating the phrase, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes and bring yourself back to this moment. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.